I am Moses, once a prince of Egypt, now a shepherd of my people. My story, it's one of faith, struggle, and divine intervention. In my youth, I lived a life of privilege in the Pharaoh's palace, unaware of my true heritage. But the truth has a way of revealing itself. I discovered I was born a Hebrew, one of the enslaved people I'd been raised to rule. In a moment of rage, I struck down an Egyptian overseer who was beating a Hebrew slave. That single act changed the course of my life forever. Fleeing from Egypt, I found myself in the land of Midian, a shepherd tending to his flock. It was a simple life, far removed from the opulence of the palace. Then on a day like any other, I saw something extraordinary. A bush engulfed in flames, yet not consumed by the fire.
Moses, Moses!
Here I am.
I am the God of your fathers. I have seen the misery of my people in Egypt. I am sending you to Pharaoh to bring my people out of Egypt.
In that moment, everything changed. I was no longer just Moses the shepherd, but Moses the deliverer. The road ahead was long and fraught with challenges. Returning to Egypt was not easy. Pharaoh's heart was hardened, and it took 10 devastating plagues before he would release my people, but finally, the time had come for us to leave. As we fled Egypt, Pharaoh's army in pursuit, we faced the impossible, the vast expanse of the Red Sea before us and certain death behind. But with faith I stretched out my staff and witnessed a miracle. The waters parted, creating a path to freedom. As the waters crashed down upon Pharaoh's army, I realized that our journey was just beginning. The path ahead would be long and difficult, but we were no longer slaves. We were a people with a destiny. For we are all in our own way on an exodus, moving from what we were to what we can become. This is the true miracle of our story.